and welcome back to my channel. I am excited for this video. I am bringing you another backdrop, and this one is very cute and super affordable. I am using two things, and that's about it. If you want to see what's going on, how I did this backdrop, stay tuned and let's get to it. To start this DIY, you would need streamer. This one I got from Walmart for 97 cents, and this one I got it from dollar store, and there is a difference in these streamers. As you can see, this one looks a lot fluffier, and this one, even though the roll is bigger, it looks a lot denser. Let me show you the difference between these two rolls. This strip I cut from this roll, and let me show you. When you pinch your streamer in between your fingers and trying to roll, it just rips and it's impossible to work. I mean, you can make it work, but it's not as easy. See, it's just impossible. And let me show you how easy you can work with the softer streamer. So pinch and then twist. Again, pinch, twist. Nothing rips. You have these perfect shapes out of this soft streamer. To start, you need to cut different lengths of your streamer. To make your garland, you will take one of your strips that you cut and pinch the streamer in between your fingers and then twist. Again, pinch, twist. Keep doing that to all of your strips. Here's how my wisteria tree looks like as a backdrop. It looks beautiful, looks gorgeous. I love it. It will depend on you how full you want your tree to be with these garlands. I used 2 rolls of streamer and it looks great. It's not too much, it's enough, and I love it. How did I attach all of my garlands to my branches? I just poked branches through the paper and it stays really good and nothing's falling off. If you're holding your event outside, just use hot glue and glue all of your garlands on your branch. How did I attach my branch to my backdrop? I used fishing line strings and I wrapped around my branch and tied the fishing line on my safety pin, and it holds the whole branch very nicely and securely. Isn't it beautiful? I love how this backdrop turned out. The most cheapest and most easiest supplies to work with, and they will bring you this beautiful backdrop. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this backdrop. Also, if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and I'll be there to answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pretty backdrops and other DIYs. Alright, you guys, I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.